Hey guys, Tyler Hooks here with AKA Products, and today we are going to talk about foams. So we've had the very successful release of the new Scribbles, specifically the two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive front, which is what we're going to talk about today. And when we first released them, what we found is that our current foam option for both the two-wheel drive and the four-wheel drive front just wasn't quite cutting it for the feel that we were looking for on the track. The carcass design on the new Scribble is a little bit different. It's a little wider than our regular two-wheel drive offerings. It's also just a tiny bit taller. So what we were finding is that the normal foam wasn't filling out the wheel properly. So what we were doing was taking a piece of foam and putting it into, like a piece of dense foam, and putting it into the wheel, and then putting an Evo style foam on top of that so that it would sit a little bit taller, it would be a little bit rounder, and it would fill out that tire properly. But ultimately, when we're trying to release products to the customer, that's not exactly what we're wanting to do. It's a little bit more steps. It's just not the direction that we really wanted to go for the future. So we've actually released a new foam for both two-wheel drive, and then there's another one for four-wheel drive as well. And this foam, as you can see, is just a tiny bit wider. And as well as being wider, it's a little bit more dense, a little thicker. It's got a tiny bit different design, and it fills out that new style carcass that we used on the new Scribble better. So for tires in the future, if they come with this carcass, we'll have this foam design. If they come with the older carcass, we'll have the older foam design. And it just gives you a little bit more option to kind of fine tune what you're feeling. We wanted to make sure that we had the option to fill the tire out. You don't want to have to use foam strips or do anything like that. So if you're receiving any Scribbles now, or if you're receiving any front Scribbles now, two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive, they're coming with these new foams. They're going to fill out the tire properly. You're going to get that feel that you're looking for, and you're not going to have to do anything extra. So for those of you that have heard you have to use foam strips, if you're receiving any of the new sets and they come with foams, it's likely that they come with these new foams. You don't need to do anything special. Just go ahead and mount them up and run them, and they'll work properly. So look out for some new products coming soon. We're excited to get some stuff to you guys following this little pandemic era, and get back to racing. So we hope to see you at the track. And as always, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us on any of the AKA Products pages, or reach out to me personally, and we'll do the best we can to help you. Thank you.